And check out that grain. That is insane. See how cool it is? And this is definitely a good, reliable source for getting cool grained wood. You see that? Now, here is that myrtle wood. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, with the finish on it, or just mineral spirits in this case. Look how cool that is. It has like gold flakes. Tomorrow is my birthday, or maybe today, depends on when you're watching this video, depending on how quick I can edit it and post it. But right now, today, it's May 4th. So every year for my birthday, I buy myself a pretty gift, either a pair of shoes, a purse, whatever I might want at that moment. This year, I bought wood. I bought these boxes, not one, not two, but 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3. These are offcuts or shorts, you could call them. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath, but I just carry these boxes. And I want to unbox them with you guys. This is not sponsored. This is, like I said, it was a gift from me to me. So I purchased them with my own money. I did open 2 of these boxes, not these 2, other 2 that I purchased about a week ago. And you guys absolutely love that video. It has over 45,000 views in the last 7 days. So I bought more because I was so happy with what was inside, and I want to open it with you guys. So these boxes, if you're not familiar, if you have not watched my other videos, they're from NWTimber. So NWTimber, and they're called mystery boxes. It's supposed to be loaded with figure wood, so let's unbox it, see what's inside. I cannot wait. All right, I'm going to start with the first box. And last time I unboxed these boxes, I took a moisture meter and all the wood was nice and dry, so I'm not gonna do that this time because we already saw the wood is very usable, it's dry, so we are not concerned about that. And by the way, if you go to their website, and I'll tell you in a second, let's look in here for a second. First piece, it's a beautiful piece of curly cherry. Look at that. You see the look? It's very curly. This is a large piece. I need a tape measure. There it is. This is not very thick. It's 1 inch in thickness, very straight, and it's about 11.5 by 10.25. So first piece is some curly cherry. Second piece, it looks pretty much almost identical, the same size, curly cherry again. I'm happy with that because I do have a cherry project, so I think that's going to be good for it. Then we have some claro walnut. So there's some claro walnut. This is not black walnut. I was confused last time when I opened the boxes. I didn't know what this was. But this walnut also has some figure to it. I don't know if you can see that in the light. Can you see that? So I think that's going to be really cool. So we have 4 pieces of claro walnut. This is 2 really, really thin pieces. I would say this is probably unusable unless you're making pens or something. But this is some highly figured, it looks like maple to me. Then I have this piece. I'm not sure what it is, but you see that light? It like flashes light. I'm not sure what it is. I know it has a fancy name when this is happening, and one of you guys wrote it down for me in the comments last time, and I can't remember the word. It was some fancy word that I could not pronounce. So we have that, and it looks like there's another piece of that. So I have 2 pieces like that. Then more of this highly figured cherry. You guys see that? That's really cool. And if you guys go to their website and you look at the mystery boxes, you will see that there's my last video of unboxing this posted to their website. I want you to know that doesn't mean I have any affiliation with them, because I don't. It's just on their website. It's stated clearly where under the mystery box that if you do have an unboxing video and send it to them, they will post it to the website. So anybody that send them an unboxing video, it will show there. That's what I did. This does not mean I have any affiliation with them. Some other highly figured cherry. And then, you guys, this is really cool. I do not know what wood this is. I know it's on their website. I want to say it's myrtle wood. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. But you guys see that? It's really cool. I think it's myrtle wood. It looks like it's a 12 by 12 piece. And there's another one on the bottom. Another myrtle wood. Really cool. Look at the grain. And here too. Some really cool stuff. So that is the first box. Let's move to the second box. So far, the first box is very different than the other two boxes I received last time. So let's see what's in here. Onto the second box. There's my receipt that I just slashed with the blade. And super, super cool. Some thin pieces of burr. I had 2 pieces in the last box too. I'm gonna do some epoxy stuff with it. You know what, you guys? If you end up purchasing these boxes and you get pieces like this, or you know what I got, and you don't know what to do with them, follow Derek Smiley Woodworks. He has a YouTube channel. Please go check out his channel, subscribe, give him a comment, give him some encouragement. He's fairly new to YouTube. He does have a lot of videos posted. He does a lot of cool stuff with this kind of wood. And he also bought a mystery box. Right after I posted my unboxing last time, he went and purchased one and did an unboxing. So you can see other people's unboxing of the same mystery boxes, so you can see what they got. So please go check out his website, and also it gives you an idea what he's making with these shorts. I cannot wait to see what he's making because honestly I have no idea what I'm going to do with this. I have another really large piece of this myrtle wood. Another looks like 11 by 12 maybe, or 10 by 12. And then I have a smaller piece. Look at the grain on the side. See how cool that is? This one I'll probably resaw it and book match it, do something with that. Then we've got some really highly figured maple. I got a lot of this quilted maple in the last 2 boxes. So it's so hard to show in the shop with the light. You know what? After we unbox a couple of things, I do have some mineral spirits. I will throw it on some of those pieces and see what they look like. You know, mimic a finish on them. This is some sort of curly maple. See that? I think it's maple. It looks like a lot of curly maple. Look at the figure on this thing. I mean, there's so much curl. Let me put a finish on that. I can't wait. By finish, I mean some mineral spirits. Oh, that was not the piece. This was the piece. It's so pretty. I mean, look at that. You guys see that? It's insane. It's like a tiger stripes. So much movement. It's completely flat. It just looks like that. It looks like waves. And there's a lot of these pieces in this box. There's another piece over here. There's 2 other pieces that are larger pieces. You see that? Oh, this is insane. I'm gonna put some finish on this thing. My rag is dry. I really enjoy watching this kind of unboxing videos because I'm always looking for places that I can get some cool stuff. And this is definitely a good, reliable source for getting cool grained wood. You see that? Pretty cool. All right, next, it looks like I want to say it's cherry. I think it's cherry. And it looks like it's has aged because it changed color. You see, if you look inside and the side, it looks like normal cherry color, but here it's already had some, it's been air dried, and you see that movement? Let me put some finish on that. Super, super happy. It looks like there's a lot of cherry in this box. So completely different than the first box. Look at that. You guys see that? Oh, there you go. Now you can see it in the light. All right. And I have a few more cherries. This one has some cool grain. At first I thought it was cracked because it looks like cracks, but it's not. It's perfectly smooth. Check out this grain here. That is completely smooth. It's not a crack. And so is this stuff. Those are not cracks. I'm gonna book match this one. This is completely flat. I don't feel any ridges. Really cool. All right, and it looks like one more curly cherry. And then, oh my goodness, they did put some more burr pieces. Good for epoxy projects. I've never done an epoxy projects, but I'm going to do some. So now we have 4 of these pieces. Each box had 2, and my last box had 2 as well. Ooh, let's see. This is a thick piece of highly figured maple. Look at that. You see that? That is completely flat to the touch. Really, really cool. And this is 2 inches thick. And then another really big piece. You see that? Dimples and stuff. That's completely flat to the touch. And this is maple, 2 inches thick, about 12 inches long, and about 8. Let me take, where's my tape measure? I lost it. There it is. So this one is 11 and a half long, 7 and a quarter, almost 7 and a half wide, and 1 7/8 thick. But really cool grain. I don't know how to show it to you. I can see it in person, but it's hard to show on camera. So that was the second box. Let's move on to the third box. More myrtle wood, big chunk. Look at that. Looks like a 12 by 12. About 1 inch or 1 1/4. Let's see. 1 1/4 thick. Really good, straight piece of wood, no cracks or anything like that. And then it looks like we have one more myrtle wood. Really cool. It has some light and movement into it, not so much, but really pretty. Another really big piece, about 12 by 12 and 1 1/4. Very usable pieces. Then we have claro walnut. Nice, big, usable piece. And then we have 3 baby burrs. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. So now we have 2, 4, 7 of those. There's another tiny piece of claro walnut. And then we have a cherry. We have the cherry that has some curd to it. You see that? And then another one here. Same thing. Really cool flash of color. And it looks like 2 more pieces of cherry. Same kind of thing. I don't know if you can see it. when the light hits it. Whoops, maybe I should show you one at a time. You see that? That is not ordinary cherry. That is some really cool grain cherry. And then you guys, hold on, wait to see this. A giant chunk of quilted maple. Let's put some finish on this one. And there is one more maple, but let's put some finish on that quilted maple. What did I do with my rag? There it is. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty, completely straight, no cracks, no defects. Check it out, you guys. Isn't that really, really cool? I had so much of this wood last time in my box, my last unboxing. Isn't that really, really cool? Can you see that? This is completely smooth to the touch. That is just the way it appears when the light hits it. And this is a giant 12 by 12, it looks like almost, and about 2 inches in thickness. Let's see. Completely flat, straight edges. This is a 9.5 by 11.5 by 2 inches. Really cool. I mean, look at that. Now, here is that myrtle wood. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, with the finish on it, or just mineral spirits in this case. Look how cool that is. It has like gold flakes. So cool. Look at that. This is completely smooth. There's just the grain in it and stuff. Now, I hope this was helpful to you and you learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Skylar Ewing, and I'll see you in my next video.